The females lay their eggs on the seed grass. The males follow, fertilizing the eggs with clouds of sperm. Once, herring thrived here in an abundance we can barely imagine today. They used to turn shorelines white with spawn, right across the North Pacific from Japan to California.